Do you have Excel data entered weekly, split by Monday through Sunday, but you actually need daily dates for reporting, dashboards, or analysis? Hi, in this video, I will show you how to transform a weekly layout, like this one, into a clean daily table using Power Query. No complex formulas required. Let's get to it. Here's the structure of our data. In each row, we have number of the week, and it represents all of the week of the year. So we have 52 lines, and in the columns, the headers, you can see we have the days of the week, Monday to Sunday. And each of these other columns under the days are categories. So I have named them A, B, C, D, and I have random values added to my table. First, I'm going to use dates from 2026. So I want to start by adding additional table with the calendar dates of 2026. Because we're going to use dates to generate, we need the date serial number of the first date. So we'll start here with our formula sequence, and we'll have 365 days. That's how many rows we want. The column will be 1. We don't need to select. And we want to start with this number here, and the step will be 1 for every day. Let's change this to short date. We can see it is January 1st to December 31st. We'll copy and paste values. Let's go to the bottom to verify. We have December 31st, and now we just need to add name of the column, date. We'll go to data, and from table and range, we'll add the data in Power Query. Change to short date. Duplicate the column from transform. We'll go to date. Under week, we need week of the year. You can rename this to week. Duplicate again. And under the day, we'll select name of day. To make a unique column, we'll combine week and date. So selecting the two columns, we'll do column from examples from the selection. And we'll show the example. It will be 1-Thursday. Perfect. We are ready with the preparation. Close and load to. Only create connection. Next, we want to get this data and help with the headers because they are not friendly for Power Query. So we'll copy the data and paste it as values. And you can see we have Monday only in the first column, and then we are missing the labels for the rest of the columns. So I'll select and populate this, go into home, and then find and select, go to special and select blanks. Now equal to the cell on the left, so this one, and control enter will populate labels on the rest of the blank cells. Now we need to add one more line here, insert line, and we'll populate the formula here in this line. Equal Monday, ampersand, in quotation space, another ampersand, and the category. Again, we're using control enter to populate on all the rest of the cells. So we need only to copy and paste this as value. We'll move this week on the third line, and we'll delete line 1 and 2. Now our data is ready for Power Query. We'll go to data from table and range. We do have headers. Let's name this to data. And now we have selected this week column. We will go to transform and pivot other columns. Next, we want to separate attribute into two columns, weekday and category. And we'll select split by delimiter. It detected we want space. Next thing is we want to create a new column, merge column from the week and the date. We'll go to column from example, from selection, 1-Thursday. And we need to pivot back the column with the category and the values. So we'll select the category, go to transform, go to pivot column. And now it asks us which is the column for values, and that's our value column. Now A, B, C, and D are in the correct position. The only missing thing is the date, and going to get it from the other table. We will go to home and merge queries. We're going to use the merge column and take our table 11 and use merge column 2. I would use only matching rows. Select only date. And we need one more column from example. We'll be using the date and the day of the week. Go to add column from example, from selection, and we'll start typing, and we have column with the date, comma, Friday. We're going to remove some columns using control, select the columns that we don't need, right click and remove columns. We'll move this one to the beginning and we'll rename it to date, comma, weekday. And now that we are ready with final result, we want to load it. And new worksheet is perfect. Change the design and check if we have the correct results. Go back to our original data and paste example here. So we can see the first week, Thursday. One thing we forgot was to sort the data. So if we sort it from here, from A to Z, we'll copy and check this data. We are starting with 13, 6, 4, and 8, and then everything looks to be following the same order of values. Now we have one row per date, the weekday is included, and clean category columns already exist. It is ready for analysis, Power BI or dashboard. The best part is when you add new weeks of data, you will just hit refresh and the data will be transformed into this one line per day table. If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more Excel tips, and let me know in the comments what data transformation you would like to see next. Thank you for watching.